Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I thought would be really fun. It's kind of part vlog, part tutorial of how I'm going to be prepping for the holidays, and that's hair, nails, and what makeup I decide to do for Christmas. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, otherwise we'll get right into it. So first up is my hair appointment. I'm not doing anything too crazy, just kind of touching up the color a little bit, and more importantly, getting them to match these new set of extensions that I just recently bought. So yeah, let's head on over to the hair appointment, the first stop. It's like this is the worst lighting ever. I'm trying to get good stuff, just it's harsh light time, I guess. So this is what my hair looks like. This might be the most pointless clip ever, but this is the before, and we shall see what the after looks like soon. Hey guys, so I just got out of the salon. Oh my god, my hair feels so amazing. It's so silky. I'm so excited. Just a little freshen up on the color. I love this color so much. I think they'll definitely go really well with my new extensions. Because I'm growing my hair out right now, we're sticking with the one color. Nothing too crazy, no balayage, no ombre or anything like that. I'm gonna head on back to my place, get some lunch. Not gonna bore you with those details, and I'll catch you when I'm on my way to get my nails done. I'm so excited. Hey guys, I'm back home from my appointment. I thought I'd show you my hair in a little bit of better light, at least even light. So this is what it looks like. I love it so much. Jamie did, again, an amazing job with it. So here is the tester strand of the extensions that I got. We're just gonna see real quick if this matches my new hair color. So, sorry, I'm using my camera as a mirror. Do a little part. Can barely see anything. Let's see how this goes. Holy crap. I think that's really nice. Hey guys, it's that time. It's nail time. I'm so excited. My nails just like break off. So this is what this situation is. This is a recent development. So I'm gonna have them even it out and make them all pretty again, and my toes. I'm so excited to see my nail tech look. She is such a sweetheart. One pro tip I can offer you as far as how I choose the salons I go to. Mine is actually one that's in a grocery store. So it's like 2-in-1. You go and get your nails done, and then you go and get your groceries done. I mean, hello. So if I can knock two birds with one stone, I'm all for it. I'm gonna go in, get my nails done and groceries done. See ya! just got my nails done and did grocery shopping a little bit for snacks, and it is dark out already. Yay for winter! The nail salon today was a lot of fun. I got to see my favorite nail tech. She didn't actually get to do my nails, but being able to see her and talk to her was really nice. I mean, all those ladies in there are talented and really nice, so it really doesn't matter who to get, but I was happy to catch up with all of them, and they're so sweet, and they actually gave me a lotion, which I could cry. That's so sweet. Like, what? And it's mango. You know that's gonna smell good. So that was so sweet of them. I feel so horrible. I came in empty-handed. I didn't have anything because I'm the least thoughtful person and I'm just the worst gift giver really in general. So I'm gonna have to repay them somehow. But yeah, I love my nails. The pedicure was so relaxing. I loved it all. I loved spending time there with those ladies and catching up and all that. They really make me feel welcome and at home there, and they really turn out my nails when I need to. Like for my graduation, whew, they killed that. That was definitely a moment. So very happy that I was able to come in today. Yeah, so hair done. Nails done. Took about the whole day, but that's fine. It's all fun stuff. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be doing a little makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's little shenanigans, today's adventures, and I'll see you in my tutorial. Hey guys, so welcome to the makeup tutorial part of this program. I'm so excited. I haven't done this particular look before, but we're just gonna play around and see what happens. So I had been thinking about what would be a great holiday look, and you typically think red lip and like something sparkly, typically like a silver or something. I was looking at my collection and realized I had a bunch of golds. So I was like, why not a red lip and a gold eye? This look is inspired by my own thinking, first of all. I also saw this lovely picture, maybe it'll be over here, a lovely picture from a makeup artist who did a gold eye red lip look, and then this tutorial on Persona Cosmetics where she uses a gold, and I'm kind of doing a combination of those two. I don't want to do like a harsh wing liner. I want to do something more soft, and so in the Persona tutorial she uses pencil liner and kind of smudges it out. So I really just want to focus on the eyes and the lips for this tutorial, so my face and all that is done. I'm going to take the Persona Identity 2 palette. This is what she looks like. So obviously the star of the show is going to be this gold here. I'm going to start with my transition shade Loyal. Next we're going to move on to Unique, the golden glittery shade. Oh my gosh, guys, I am forever plagued with technical difficulties. My iPhone just didn't feel like filming today, I guess, so we're going with the other camera, which gives me limited time to do things. So to get caught up, all I did was use my finger in the color Unique, the gold color in the palette, and put that all over my lid. And I did take a shader brush to kind of pack it on in areas where my fingers can't really reach. So now we're at the point of the Persona Cosmetics tutorial where she starts with her eyeliner. And so I'm actually going to take a Persona Cosmetics eyeliner, and this is in the color Brown. And I'm just gonna do a rough kind of sketch of liner across, kind of start a winged liner and then smudge it out. Okay, so this eye definitely came out better than this one, but we're gonna hurry up and smudge that out with a shorter shader brush. I'm going to dip into this color here, Brave to kind of reinforce that and kind of give me some more mileage as I'm smudging it out. I want to deepen the outer corner, and I'm going to do that by using a Persona brush, and I'm going to still use that color Brave right here to deepen the outer corner. So I like how you can still see the liner, but the outer corner is a little diffused. I'm going to just drag a little bit of that dark brown Brave color we've been using on my lower lash line. So there was one color that I forgot she used within her tutorial, and it's Honest right here, and she uses that in the inner corner. Okay, so I think that finishes the eye look. I love how it looks. I love this gold color. I'm gonna do my mascara and stuff off camera because it's still the same products that I'm using, so I don't want to bore you with those details over and over again. So let me go do that, and then we'll finish up with lips. And we're back. Last but not least, to wrap everything up, is lips. So I'm going to be doing a red, and I'm going to be using two new lip products that I got from Persona, and a ColourPop lip liner. So we'll start with the lip liner, and this one is in Bossy. And then I'm going to go in with a liquid lipstick, and this is Persona's Holy Grail. And then y'all know how much I love lip gloss. Persona came out with a new color of lip gloss. This is in the color Hibiscus, and it's kind of like a cherry, like sheer cherry gloss. So I thought it would look really pretty on top of this lip. I love this red lip. All right, guys, so we finally made it. We have prepped for the holidays. I've got my hair done, and I got my nails done, and we have figured out a holiday appropriate look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video where you followed me around as I prep for the holidays and give you guys a holiday look to try out. If you did, please click that thumbs up and subscribe to my little YouTube family here. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to be notified anytime I post a new video, click that notification bell. All right, guys, until the next one, happy holidays. Hey, guys. Tea-tack brown. Oop, yep, that's not gonna work. Hey, guys. Commit to it, Lisa Marie. Wow, hold up. Is that like an exact match? Am I blind? This looks so goofy. I feel like you can just do like a rat tail situation. I'm so excited. Why is it that one eye always turns out better than the other one? Oh my gosh. Thank God this is usually the side that I take pictures on. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Freshly cut and dyed.